Hi, this is River Ranch on a Monday. Tatlo lang kaming campers ngayon, wala masyadong tao. That's why we chose this day. Dito kami pumeso sa ilalim ng malaking puno, kaya maraming shade sa ilalim. Also, there's a place pwede ka umupo, mag-chill. Kanina I was eating some fruits there, katapat ng river. It's 3 in the afternoon. Now nandun yung kanilang toilet, may 8 toilet doon. Tapos maraming sink. Ito yung toilet dito sa River Ranch. So maraming sink dito. Okay, meron pa rin sa side na doon, may sink pa. And ito yung itsura ng toilet nila. Ayan. Merong ample water supply. Punta pa ng timba at saka tabo. Ayan, marami siyang sink. Okay. And maraming toilet. So, 8 ito. Ayan, up to that part over there. Ayan. So, even if maraming tao, I guess, it would not be a problem. And meron ditong kubo na pwede kang mag-charge ng phone. Surprisingly, meron ngayong kuryente. I'm not sure if that's always the case every day. Nandito rin pala yung place kung saan malakas yung wifi. I'm not sure kung doon meron din. Now, for us, we have our wifi. For our group, 5 po kami. Everyone has an access. Now, ito po yung place. Private daw ito. I'm not sure that if you can rent this or maybe as a group of, or maybe if you have a function. Ngayon, dun sa place na yun, meron silang lugar doon kung saan merong covered area na maraming lamesa. Siguro kung may malaking event or function, pwedeng gamitin yun. Ito yung malaking area. So, as you can see, covered siya. And beside it is ito, fire pit. So, siguro pwede dito gumawa ng bonfire. Ayan. Makaikot yung mga friends mo. And also, ito na yung river. Also sa part na to, meron din palang bomba ng tubig kung gusto mo traditional, kung anong water. So this is River Ranch guys on a Monday. Ayan, so walang tao. I'm not sure kung ganito palagi, no? But syempre, Monday, katatapos pa lang ng weekend. Kaya siguro, umuwi na yung mga tao. Ayan. Okay, this is River Ranch. Now, you can choose some areas here. Mamaya, we'll try to eat yung mabababaw na lugar na to. We're gonna bring our food, kung pwede, in this area. Okay, so this is River Ranch on a Monday. What do you think, guys?